What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
1995 Ford F-150 step side. They're rare to find. Look at that. You barely ever see them with a step side. Cool little truck. Anyways, he brought it in. I think it's got the 351 Windsor, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. Got high flow cat on it, then a secondary cat there. Then what we did is put a glass back on it, AP glass back, Y pipe, and duals out the back on each side. There and right there. 2 1/4 system all the way. 2.5 inch in out glass back, and then the Y pipe's 2 1/4. Into some 18 inch by 3.5 rolled stainless steel tips out the back. Right there and there. It had an old system on it, it's all rotted out. He's like, I'm done with that. I want something new, different. So we hooked him up. He liked the sound of it. So we left the same muffler, but just updated everything for him. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's got a nice little pop to it. Crackle and pop. You sound decibels? Right at 98.9. So it's not overly loud. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Clean truck. He just had it painted too. You can see still the badges are not even on it. Very nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Enjoy, guys.